rich man's daughter. Nagbabalik ang tambalang Glyza De Castro and Rian Ramos.
This movie possible.
Yes, at ngayon pa lang, binabati na po namin ng congratulations ang filmmakers, ang cast and crew, ang lahat po ng bumubuo ng pelikulang ito. Please join us in giving a round of applause for the talents who poured their heart into this project.
Palakpakan po natin sila. This is it. The moment they've been waiting for.
At talaga, hindi lang yung fans ng Rastro, pero even para sa buong industry kasi when they first paired up, it really shook the landscape of Philippine TV. Kaya now that they're back together, everyone is beside themselves.
Up next, we have the very dashing Rafael Rosel as June.
Martin and Miss Pauline Publico.
And of course, now let's welcome the captain of the ship, their one and only director, Sigrid Andrea P. Bernardo. What are we missing? Are we missing?
Parang may dalawa pang nawa.
Parang, may dalawa pang... Parang nararamdaman ko yata yung energy na
I think kailangan
naghihiyawan.
mas iparamdam muna natin yung
Oo, eh.
energy ng Cinema Alaga ng Gateway para lumabas na ang dalawang ito. I think mas kaya
I think kaya pa yan. Lalo na yung mga Rastro. I think that's going on.
Playing Anne and Chicks, we have Miss Glyza De Castro and Rian Ramos.
Kuya, pa-shot din kami, please. Dito po medyo sa likod.
So guys, ramdam naman natin ang pagmamahal ng mga fans, ng friends, ng press para sa inyo at para sa pelikulang ito kahit hindi pa nila napapanood. So ano ba yung short message ninyo para sa lahat ng lumabas ngayon tonight to show their support for you guys?
Anybody in the cast can answer? Go ahead. Huh?
Sige,
Yeah,
hawak
go
ko.
ahead, Rian.
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyong pagpunta at sa inyong pagsuporta dito sa pelikula namin. Napakatagal nating lahat hinintay na mangyari. Napaka-espesyal talaga ng gabing ito dahil lang sa gabing ito nagsama ang apoy at yelo.
Pero walang puksa ang mangyayari ngayon, pagmamahalan lang. Pero maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga taga-media, taga-Sparkle, GMA, sa lahat po ng mga kaibigan namin na nandito. You know, mga bandmates namin nandun, no? Julian, Dasri, Roger, thank you. Thank you for your support, guys. We really appreciate it. And syempre gusto ko lang din pasalamatan ang aming mga producers. Miss Pauline, Miss April, parang kailan lang pinag-uusapan lang natin tong konsepto na to. And now it's finally here. Mapapanood na natin siya. At dahil sa napakahusay na pagkakasulat naman ni Direk Sigrid Andrea Bernardo. Ayan, maraming salamat po and enjoy the film.
Hi, Mom!
Hi, Mom. Hi, Bianca.
Picture, compress,
Miss Stacy, hello.
compress.
All right, let's have a group photo with our cast, of course, producers and director here in front.
Ay, for hello.
Please, everyone help us spread the word. I Felt It's Fine is coming out on 4/4, April 4.
4/4, April 4.
4/4.
And of course, syempre, before we have our cast and crew and everybody proceed to their seats, syempre, we also need to hear first from our producers, syempre, Miss April, Miss Pauline.
Kailangan talaga yun?
Yes po, kakapasok lang po. Mainit-init pa po na balita.
Yeah, I just want to thank everybody who actually came tonight. This night is actually special to all of us kasi tama yung sinabi ni Glyza. We started conceptualizing this back in 2023. So, para may background lahat, galing kasi kami sa pag-produce ng isang event noon sa Araneta Coliseum. That time, Rin Becky, endorsers ng Aero Magic Air. So sila yung, syempre di kami pumayag na walang local stars na gusto naming ipagmalaki. That's why we had Glyza and Brian. And grabe, yung crowd that time sa The Big Dome, hindi na nila marinig yung ano nun eh, when they were performing. And then after they performed, just to give you a background, the crowd were actually cheering for them and tinitis sila, movie. And that's why we have a movie now. So, yeah, enjoy.
Hello. Ayun, sabi nga sa trailer, after a decade of waiting, Rian Ramos and Glyza de Castro. Ayan, so let's be excited. April 4 in cinemas nationwide. I Felt It's Fine.
Thank you so much. And before we move on to the captain of the ship, your director, syempre, we have a cast of colorful characters na talagang magpapakilig, magpapatawa, o kaya naman magpapabwisit sa inyo ngayong gabi. Hindi natin alam kung ano mga papel nila. Please, short messages from the rest of our cast to everybody here in Cinema 11.
Hi, ako po si Rafael Rosel. I play the role of June. Well, thank you. More than anything, thank you so much to all of you for coming out today to support this great event. And of course, thank you to Wide International for letting me work with you guys. It's an honor. And of course, this beautiful, beautiful love team for this movie. It's my